Hello to you that froth the hardest. Yeah, so I'll give you a bit of an update. Whoa, Marley, watch out, buddy. Gotta be careful with whippets around cameras. Come here, mate. Good boy. Yeah, so I'll give you a bit more of an update of what's going on. So, we first found a lump in Bonita's breast, but it's since been beneaged. She's had it checked out and it's been beneaged, so she should be coming home soon. So that's really good. We're really happy that she went back and we got it all checked out in Australia. You don't want to mess around with these sorts of things in health and things like that, so we're really happy that she went back to Australia and she's been able to get it checked out, and she's going to come back fighting fit more than ever with all her vaccinations, and she's not as blind as we first thought, so she's not getting glasses. But yeah, she's had a bit of dental work and stuff, so it's been really good that she's been able to go back to Australia. She's got to see her folks and stuff as well, which is really good because she's really close with her family. So yeah, it's really nice. It's all good news that's come out of that. So she should be coming back to Nandji very soon, which I'm very excited about. So now I need to hurry up and finish all these jobs that I've got going, so Nandji looks amazing when she returns. Yeah. So hopefully we'll be out of Dili here by the end of the month is the plan, and we've got new crew coming on board potentially, so hopefully that all works out too, because it's actually been really hard. Juzzy was such a legend, it just made life so easy. He said, yep, I want to come aboard, and then travelled 30 hours to get onto Nandji. Like, it was so simple and easy, whereas so we thought it would just be like that all the time, but we've tried to get crew on and it's just really impossible. It's really hard. So it's a much more difficult exercise than we thought it would be to have crew. I guess we need to be a little bit more organised and that sort of thing, and that's hard. As you can see, like we can't really plan for such long distance in front because we can't 100% rely on Nandji. We just don't know what's going to happen, so we can't really make plans for 1,000 miles down the track and 3 months time or something, because we might get there, we might not. Like, it's a hard thing about sailing Nandji. Nandji in particular anyway, but until we get everything sorted, that's just the way it is. We just need to keep going in an unorganised state. Yeah, well, that's a bit of an update and that's everything that's going on, so just wanted to share that with you legends. Alright, soon Bonita will be here. See ya!
She's having fun!
Bye.